You, forgot to take out the trash again.
I thought it was your turn.
No, it's on the calendar.
Okay, sure. Bullshit.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. That, yeah, I'll check the calendar next time.
Yeah. You do that. Idiot.
I'm sorry I forgot, okay? I will take it out on Thursday. Nag.
Thank you, sweetie. Try not to forget this time. Fuckface!
You know, no problem. It will not happen again, I promise. Because I would rather die than hear more nagging.
Thanks, honey. Learn to read a fucking calendar.
Yeah. Hey, anything for you, babe. Anything. I want to shove the calendar up your ass.
Well, if you forget again, I'm gonna take that razor and cut off your balls while you're sleeping and feed them to you for breakfast. Don't test me, motherfucker. Have a good day.
Do you want a lozenge for your cough?